how to remove watermark from a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to remove watermark from a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. Alright, so let's begin. So let's get started. Step 1. Open your Adobe Premiere Pro, name your project and open it. Step 2. Import your video in Adobe Premiere Pro in my case. Here is the video. Step 3. Now as you can see, there's a watermark in that particular video. So if you really want to get rid of it, you have to create a mask. If your watermark is on the center of the video, then stick to the video till the end for the method as well. So now let's suppose I want to remove this watermark in Premiere Pro. So head over to the timeline of this software and create a duplicate layer of your original video. Now select that duplicate layer, zoom a bit on your logo and go to Effect Controls. So here what you need to do is just create a mask from any part of your video. Let's suppose this one. Now just reposition that part over your watermark or logo. Make sure you are in Effect Controls, that's it. Now you can change feathers if you want. And that's it, you are done. Second method is go to runaway.ml and go to AI Magic Tools. Create a video composition, name your project, upload your clip and start painting your object logo watermark. Give it some time to load it and your watermark will be removed. So that's basically how you can remove watermark from a video in Adobe Premiere Pro. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.